Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Technology Channel and I am your host Malik Muhammad Mehran. As you know, Technology Channel presents you solutions about various technological related problems and about research and about different fields of knowledge. So if you are new to my channel and want to see and other updates of my channel, so you go for subscribe and hit on bell icon. In this particular video we are going to learn about how to create YouTube channel. Many of our friends want to create a channel on YouTube, but they don't know about that how to create this channel. So we will make it easy for you to click few steps and make your channel. So you must see this video till end to get this whole procedure. For this purpose we should have a Gmail account. If you don't have Gmail account, you must create it. If you don't know how to create it, please search on Google, and I am also gonna make such video. So I have Google Gmail account, so I have to, this is my account, easychinese 2020@gmail.com. so I am going for YouTube. This is YouTube icon. I will click on it. Now I am on YouTube page. As you are watching on your screen, page is loading. So now I have to sign in on YouTube. So this is sign in icon. I am going to click on sign in icon or sign in button. Okay, here are different accounts that are shown on the screen. I am going for Easy Chinese. Here I will enter my password. Page is still loading. We have to wait. Now you are watching on screen. I am signed in my YouTube account with my Google Gmail account. So what now we have to do, I am to go for create a channel, because I don't have already channel with this account. So I am going to click on create a channel. Here your creator journey begins. So choose how to create your channel. Use a custom name, use your name. I am going for use your name. Means Easy Chinese. Here you have to upload some picture for your channel. I am not going for this yet. Here I have to write description about my channel. So I am going for this. Now you are watching on screen the channel description. I have written some words for it. Add links to your site. I don't have any site, so I am not gonna paste any URL. So social links are, I'm not going for social links, not on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Okay, I may go for setup later for this step, but we have completed this step, so we are going for save and continue. Here not subscribers are yet, because this is the new channel we yet created. Here by clicking I can upload my video. For further learning for uploading videos and deletion of videos, I have videos on these topics on my channel. You can watch those videos to learn that methods. So if you like my channel, so please go for subscribe so that you may get updates. And if you like this video, then hit on like button, and as well as you can share this video with your friends. Till next video, I want to say you Allah Hafiz, bye bye.